guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make Ugba. Okay, I'll show you how I made this very appetizing Ugba oil bean seed. It's rich in numerous nutrients. I'll be listing them out for you. So if you want to see how I achieved this, how I made this Ugba, do keep on watching and I'll be back. I have my beef, red oil, crayfish. I have mixed spices. The mixed spice contains salt, monosodium glutamate, garlic, spices including black pepper, oregano, basil, and turmeric for spice and color, onion, and tricalcium phosphate. I have salt, pepper, nut cubes. I'm going to be using just one. This is the 2-in-1 nut. Then my onion, and of course the star of the show, the Ugba. This onion is both for cooking the beef and making the Ugba. So I'll use half of it to cook my meat and the other half to make the Ugba. So depending on the quantity of Ugba you're making, that would determine what the quantity of spices you want to add would be. Okay, so guys, I've added the mixed spices in here. I've added my salt and I'm adding my onion, and that will be that. I'm not adding the nut cubes in here. I don't want it too spicy. A quick stir. The quantity of your Ugba depends on the quantity of meat you want to use. You can actually use any form of animal protein for your Ugba, but today I'm using beef. Okay, so I've stirred it properly. Mind you, I've not added my nut cubes. I'm going to add it straight into the Ugba when I'm preparing it. So this is it, and be careful the quantity of water you'd add, because you're going to use your meat stock for your Ugba. Remember that meat, chicken, beef, turkey, whatever animal protein, remember that they already contain a form of juice inside them, so you don't want to put water and have it too watery. So I'm going to be boiling this with this quantity of water right here. You can see it. I'm not bleaching it, okay? So almost. Ensure you use very low heat. I'm not adding salt yet until I put my meat and my meat stock. That way I'll know the quantity. That way I'll know if I really need to add more salt or not. Yeah? Remember, this is my style. Please, the quantity of water I put to cook the meat wasn't enough, so please, when you're doing yours, add more. Add more water. My meat almost burnt. Remember, use low heat. Ugba is done. It's time to turn off the heat. Turn off the heat right now.